My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
One last question on the AI studio. So if I have a chat widget on the website, she didn't want the phone number. Um, can I prompt it to automatically link to her email for automation?
Um, so chat widget, somebody sends in a message and you want to email her as the business owner saying, hey, you got a new person through your chat widget.
Right? Yeah, because she didn't want a business phone number hooked up. Is that the best way?
Um, what you would do for something like that is you would use I still like the Go High Level chat widgets look good. The new Vibe tool can build like a custom chat widget that looks different, but what I would do is I would just go to the old chat widgets here, and they're not really old. They're still like very useful and beneficial, but find the chat widget that you or build one if you don't have one for her yet. Let's say it's this chat widget 2 right here. Once you've built it out the way that you like it and it looks good and the color matches the site and all that, just go up here and click get code. And then I would just copy the code here. And then you can go into your Vibe tool and just go back to your site and then just prompt it. Say, hey, here's the code for a chat widget that I want you to add at the bottom right of my website. Here's the code, paste it, and then it will add it to the bottom right of your site for you. And
Okay.
then you can trigger off an automation off of that chat widget, just like we could always do. You'll have do you know how to create that automation, Mackenzie? Or do you want me to show you real quick?
If you don't mind, that'd be really helpful. I
Yep,
haven't done it yet.
no problem. Let me switch into just like a dummy account real quick so I don't mess with that other account. So you'll just go to like start from scratch, name the workflow, whatever, chat widget. The trigger event for chat widget, they don't like have a chat widget trigger event, which is the weirdest thing. They should have one by now, but it's called
Okay.
customer replied. That's the one we have to use because technically the chat widget is like the customer replying. I don't know why they code it that way, but anyway, we'll click add filter and then we'll choose reply channel and then chat widget. And then we can specify which chat widget it is if we have multiple. So we could say chat widget is, then we can select from our different chat widgets. I don't have one here apparently, but anyway,
Okay.
this one will work. And then just save that. And then if you want to send her an email letting her know someone just came through your chat widget and you need to reach out to them, you would just do an internal send internal notification, and then you can select email, and then it'll be like from, and then the name of the business, right? Because this is like an internal message that's being sent to the business owner, letting them know the chat widget message that came through for
Okay.
an email. Same thing. And then to user type, you can just type in a custom email here and just put your client's email right there. So then that it'll send to their email every time a new lead comes through their chat widget. Subject line,
Okay.
just say like new website lead or whatever. And then down here in the message that actually sends to your client, saying they got the new lead, I always just like to say like new website lead. And then I like to use these custom values. We do, contact full name. So it'll paste the name of that contact that filled the chat widget out, contact email, and then contact phone number. So it'll just send it real quick to the business owner so they can then just
Okay.
call them up and say, hey, how can we help you? Saw that you came through our website and needed some help with something. Oh, and a message body too. So like do custom value and then I think it's custom fields. Let me just type it out. It'll be this one, message, and then message body. That'll paste in what they said when they filled out the chat widget because
Mm,
maybe they typed out a question. It'll show exactly what they typed here. So now your customer, your client has all the info they need about that person, and then they can reach out to them and help them out.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. That's easy enough. I
And
appreciate
then, I
it.
mean, and then you can do whatever else you want in this automation. If you want to then text the lead that filled out the chat widget and say something to them, um, that's just kind of like normal. You would just do a,
Can I
send SMS step or whatever for something like that.
can
But
I
Okay.
if you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.